सस्पेंशन की तो आज बाट लग गई होगी सस्पेंशन की तो।
What can you do on a weekend? Go for a road trip? Go for a camping? Well, this weekend I did both. I came in touch with a group known as the Stallions and they welcomed me to a ride to Bhandardara. So I was up for it, up for the challenge, and I suddenly packed my bags and got ready to do it.
So hello guys, this is Pradeep here from Fedbeat Vlogs. So today it's the 10th of March 2017 and I'm headed to Bhandardara. It's gonna be a one night camp stay there. So I'm pretty excited for it. So we are like around 25 to 30 people who are going together. So I'll join them with the Nasik toll. Till there I'll have to ride alone. So have some good music and enjoy. It's around 170 kilometers from my home. I have reset the trip meter to 0 before heading. And the weather is super gloomy, it's super dark. I don't think it's gonna rain, but still, I did carry my rain liner with me. And I'm a bit late, around half an hour, so I have to catch up early.
Okay, so I've reached near the Nasik toll naga. So here I'm waiting for the other guys. Let's see. They should be around in like 10-15 minutes. So let's see. Standing in the heat. So I mounted my backpack here and I'm having this small Quencha backpack and this big one. So after a few minutes I got to meet the Stallions. I was meeting them for the first time, but it didn't feel like one. There was a sense of togetherness in them, and this moved me on.
So we just crossed a hefty amount of traffic and I've just got a clear straight, a little bit straight, less prone to traffic road ahead. So like a few kilometers, 10-15 kilometers, we'll get a uphill downhill type of road which will mostly be empty. So we'll pick up our pace there.
After completing a few kilometers, we incurred some traffic. Well, not just some traffic, a hell lot of traffic. After the trouble, we finally got some open roads, and so we finally pull the throttle hard.
I can only imagine how it is to be with you. From the first day I saw your face, I knew this love was true. But you already taken, nothing I can do. So I can only imagine how it is to be with you.
We took a 10-minute break. Now we are heading to our lunch destination. We'll find some place. The road is as usual pretty boring. It's straight, it's open, and it's hot.
I want to know if you will be my favorite song, my little melody. If we could be a symphony, then we would be a perfect harmony.
And so it was the time to visit the first destination of the day, the Myanmar Gate.
I really wish we never knew. Out of sight and out of mind, I don't want to be with you. But the next time I saw your face, nothing I can do. I just have to face the truth. All I want is to be with you. I can only imagine us both loving through the night. I can only imagine us together side by side.
So we have left Myanmar Gate and now we are heading for our campsite. The heat is starting to sink down and the evening breeze is greeting us.
I can only imagine. I want to know if you will be my favorite song, my little melody. If we could be a symphony, then we would be a perfect harmony.
बीच का रास्ता खतरनाक था ऐसे, उबड़ खाबड़ तो बैग लगता आगे आ गया है ना, काफ़ी सारा। सस्पेंशन की तो आज बाट लग गई होगी, सस्पेंशन की तो। Okay, so we have reached our campsite and we are heading just to the exact spot. The camping guy just came here to pick us up. Beautiful spot.
I can only imagine how it is to be with you. From the first day I saw your face, I knew this love was true. But you already taken, nothing I
And so we
can
reached
do.
our campsite in just about a moment. This trip wouldn't have been possible without the Stallions. So if you're interested in joining them, I'm gonna provide the link of the Instagram account in the description
I can
below.
only imagine us together side by side.